Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, you will be able to learn what is course participation. A participation report for a particular activity can be generated by a manager, teacher, or non-editing teacher, or any other user with the capability. So to access the activity report from your course page, press Action menu or the gear icon, click More, click Reports, and click Course Participation. Participation reports can generate a list of who has participated in a given activity. For example, here in Design Challenge 1. And you can choose how many days to look back. Say for 2 days, let's choose only students. And it can be filtered by role, group, and actions. Here in the Show Actions box. And click Go. It allows individuals or group of students and those who have not participated to be easily messaged. In the course participation report, you will be able to see who did not participate in this course. With selected users, you can easily send them a message. That would be all for the course participation. Thank you for watching.